reveal today. It's beautiful winter's day in Perth, a little bit sunny, hence why the lighting's a bit off, but my package is literally bursting at the seams. This is Hobium's yarn. I'll run through that in a second once I open it up. It's absolutely chockers full. I'm splitting this one with my friend Lara. Her page is Wine and Yarns. If you guys have seen her, she's who I do most of my knitting with, and yeah, I will explain what this yarn is. So if you guys do follow me, a lot of people have been asking what kind of yarns I've been using for my jumpers lately. This first cable jumper is part of the range. This is the beige colour in the Lemire's range. Also, if you hear any planes or crows, just try and silence that out. They can get pretty annoying around here. So yeah, this is the beige colour. This was my first cable jumper and done through Hobium's as well. So it's their Lemire natural wool. I will tag them in the video so you can easily access their site. They do express delivery, so I got this package from Turkey within I think 5 or so days. So I don't know how they did it, but it came here, which is great, and especially during times that we are now. I don't think you can even get stuff from the west coast to the east coast in Australia. So you also got my Honeycomb Jumper as well. This is I think from the lighter shade of brown. So that's that as well. And also been working on this Fair Old jumper, and this is done in all 5 shades that they have available. So yeah, all natural colours. It's Hobium's Lemire natural wool range. It asks for a 4 to a 5mm needle. Not too sure the conversion on that off the top of my head, but I have been using it as a 5.5 with a 5.5mm needle. I think they say it's about a 10. Well, it works out about 10 ply yarn, but when I use the 5.5mm needle, I do use a 12 ply pattern. It just does kind of stretch it out a bit more and allows the yarn to breathe, but you can use whatever needle size you want to use. I will be doing a free beanie pattern for this yarn that you can get amongst. I'm not too sure when I'm going to be releasing it, hopefully soon. It's going to be just a plain basic, just ribbed beanie, folded, and then just stocking stitch all the way to the top. So it's going to be really simple. I'm going to be using the 5mm needles on this one because that's what they've suggested, so we'll see how that comes out. The other thing I'm going to be doing, so I'm not too sure what Lara's going to be doing. I think she might be doing a honeycomb jumper as well. We've got 20 hanks or skeins here, so we need to wind them up. That's a big task for myself. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a double-stranded jumper, just a real simple, basic men's jumper. It's going to be double-stranded because I like it real nice and quick, and I want to see how fast I can actually get this done with the double strand and what the double strand looks like. So that's that one. I haven't got a pattern yet. I don't know what size needles I'm going to be using, but I'm going to have to do a tension square or a little tension gauge to work that out. I'm also going to be doing a hoodie. So, I mean, if you don't know what a hoodie is, it's pretty much a jumper or a sweater with the hood coming over the top. In Australia we call it a hoodie. I'm not too sure what everyone else calls it, but I did see a pattern online just recently and I'm going to purchase that and give that a go. I haven't done a hoodie before, so just try and mix it up a little bit, I guess. I think I have ordered the darker brown. I'm going to be doing that with my double-stranded jumper, and I don't know what I'm going to be doing for my hoodie. I don't know what colours. I was going to do a striped jumper, just a plain striped jumper, but since I've seen the hoodie, I have kind of changed my mind, and now I've got to make it work. So I think it uses about 6 or 7 skeins, maybe for just a large jumper. I will have to figure that out. I'm pretty sure it's about 6, so keep that in mind. This yarn, I think there's a couple of 100 meters in there. There's 200 meters in there for 100 grams, or 3.5 ounces to 218 yards. So it does get you a lot of wear, or a lot of work done really. So only 6 I think it takes to make a jumper. Keep that, I will post how much it actually takes, but yeah, I will tag them in the video that I have. This is Hobium's Lemire range, their natural wool. So if you wanted to get amongst that, just click on the links and that will head through. So really excited to get started. I'll probably start the 2-strand sweater first. I need to kind of think about my style and what I'm going to be kind of incorporating into that. Hopefully I can make it work. I'm sure I can. I do go for a little bit of trial and error. So yeah, keep posted with me, because I will be releasing a few more jumpers in the coming weeks. But yeah, definitely one of my favorite yarns. I love the natural colors and yeah, the thickness as well. So stay tuned, I guess.